Okay, today we're going to answer that age-old question, one of the top questions on Stack Overflow, which is, what is that double underscore name double underscore equal main do? All right, so first of all, if a variable has two underscores in front and two underscores in back, it is a magic variable according to the Python documentation. Now, I don't know about you, but I love to do magic. So, welcome to the world of Python magic variables. Now, what do you use it for? And so, it's interesting. If you call a file directly, so if I did Python greetings.py, then this variable would be set to magic main. Now, if I import greetings somewhere else, it's just set to greetings, the module name. It's the name of the file minus the .py. Now, let's look at bad greetings. So here, the difference between these two is that expression, which is if name equal magic main. And why would you do that? Well, a lot of times when you're writing these modules, you want to run test code to make sure that it works and you haven't, don't have a compile error or an error in the code logic. And so, I've created two very simple functions which print out, hola name and hello name. And I want to check those. And so I run them here with Spanish and English 1. But if I didn't do this, like if I did it as in bad greetings, those would get run even when you import it. So let's go over here and check it out. So first of all, this is a Jupyter Notebook, and it's running this file directly. So if we print out the name up here, what you're going to see is main, because this file is being called directly from Python. Now, let's look at pulling in greetings and running Spanish. And when we do, the code runs over there and says, hey, my name is greetings. I'm not main. Therefore, I'm not going to run that code. Now, let's check out bad greetings. If we run it, sure enough, it's the right name, but it doesn't have an if statement around it. And so it's running its own test code or direct code that shouldn't be running. You wouldn't want that every time you imported that module to have that code run. And so to prevent that, you surround it with an if magic name equal magic main. It's as simple as that. I hope that clears this up for you, and looking forward to seeing you in other videos.